there, and welcome to the topic how the digestive system works. So digesting carbohydrates. So enzymes that break down carbohydrates are called carbohydrates. Starch is one of the most common carbohydrates that you eat. It is broken down into sugars in your mouth and small intestine. This reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme called amylase. So amylase is produced in your salivary glands. So the digestion of starch starts in your mouth. So as soon as you put some food in your mouth, that's the process, the beginning of the digestive system. So amylase is also made in the pancreas in your body. So no digestion takes place inside the pancreas. All the enzymes made their flow into your small intestine, where most of your starch you eat is digested. So enzymes are chemicals in your body that actually break down the food solid molecules in your small intestine. So digesting proteins. So the breakdown of protein foods such as meat, fish, and cheese into amino acids is catalyzed by protease enzymes. Proteases are produced by your stomach, your pancreas, and your small intestine. So the breakdown of proteins into amino acid takes place in your stomach and your small intestine, and this is done by chemicals in your body which are catalyzed by protease enzymes. Let's have a look at digesting fats. So the lipids, fats and oils, in other words, that you eat are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol in the small intestine. The reaction is catalyzed by lipase enzymes, which are made in your pancreas and your small intestine. Again, the enzymes made in the pancreas are passed into the small intestine. Once your food molecules have been completely digested into soluble glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol, they leave your small intestine. They pass into your bloodstream to be carried around the body to the cells that need them most. Discovering the roles of the different areas of the digestive system hasn't been easy. For example, when Alexis St. Martin suffered a terrible gunshot wound in 1822, Dr. William Beaumont managed to save his life. However, Alexis was left with a hole from his stomach to the outside world. Dr. Beaumont then used this hole to find out what happened in Alexis' stomach as he digested the food. So remember, digesting carbohydrates happens through enzymes called amylase. Digesting proteins happens through enzymes called protease. And digesting fats happens through enzymes or chemicals called lipase. And they mostly take place in your pancreas and your small intestine. Do have a read of this topic again and try and answer the questions for revision. And we'll follow these up in our next class. Good luck.